Good afternoon, everyone. It is the second class of English 1C at Iizuka, KIT, Kyushu Institute of Technology's Iizuka campus. We had a good class last week. This week, I want to start getting you into more of the routine that I want to do with your textbook, with the things we'll do to study the textbook. Especially last week, we installed software called Quizlet. I want to use that software today. And then after we do that vocabulary warm-up with Quizlet, I want to start working on teaching you more about speaking and what part speaking plays in actually learning the language overall. If you can't speak the language, it'll be very hard for you to actually be able to read or write, and your listening. All of those skills are not important if you can't speak. Now, last week, I gave you a reflection exercise. Hang on, this is still in Japanese. Let me switch this over to English. I gave you a reflection exercise in the first week. And it was very simple, place 2 or 3 sentences here. And I think for the most part, if I check here, let's see here. Oh yeah, that's right, this is the student. Okay, well, I'll check this over in my normal rule. Yeah, 30 people. 30 people submitted that. Now, I think there should be, 32 students. 32 students in here. Oh no, 31 students, because one of them is me. So one person has not yet done this. So please make sure that you do this. All of these reflections are worth points for your total score. So you have another reflection this week too, class 2. You have another reflection. This time, I want you to watch this video. I want you to watch this video, listen to what it's saying about writing an email. Writing an email is not the same thing as writing a quick direct message in Instagram, or writing a tweet or a direct message in Twitter to your friends. Writing an email to your teacher or to your boss takes a little bit of learning, a little bit of practice. So I want you to watch the video, and then here's your question. Write a paragraph on what you learned is important about formatting and writing an email. So again, write that down. And that is due, again, same as last week, tonight, before 11 p.m. So I suggest, as soon as you finish this class, just watch this, get it done, send it up to me. If you have not yet done the reflection from last week, if you're one person who forgot, still, please do it, because getting 0 on this is not a good idea. And even if it's late, maybe 1 week late, you can still get some points. Getting some points is better than getting 0. Now, this is a textbook assignment that I decided to put off until this week. So your textbook assignment number 1, basically, I want you to go through these pages, chapter 30 and 31, and I want you to try your best to actually just write that up. Problem? Okay, good. Oh, by the way, if you haven't got your name there, just write, excuse me. If you haven't got your name here, just write your name here, okay? Sorry, here you go. Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Okay. So let's see. That's your textbook assignment. That will be due. Oh, God, I've got to reset this. This is still due from last week. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see, 4 days from today, 19th, so 23rd. So that will be due on Sunday. That has a little bit more time to think. So that textbook assignment, number 1, I want you to do that until this coming Sunday by 11 p.m. But the reflection, the email reflection, I want you to do that tonight. I like to give you homework so that it's spaced out through the week. Something tonight, and then something before Sunday. Okay, now, if you have any questions, please remember my email address is right here, jdmcruz@gmail.com. I suggest that you watch today's video before you send me any email. That should help you know how to write me any emails if you have any questions. Otherwise,